How to add background music in Bandlabs. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to add background music in Bandlabs. To add background music in Bandlabs, you could follow the simple steps. So what you need to do is first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Bandlabs application. Once you open up your application, this is how it's gonna look like. While you're on this page, click the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, after which you'll be able to see the track, or you could go ahead and add a track. Then what you want to do is click the then you want to go ahead and click the menu bar at the bottom of the page and click on the import track button. Once you press on import track button, what happens is that after which you'll be able to add the track. So in order to add the track, this is actually where you go ahead and add a background track. So you just go ahead and click on it and then proceed on to the next step, or you could go ahead and split the video, or maybe cut or trim, whatever, or slice it. Whatever that you want to do with, go ahead and explore the settings and you could do the steps. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.